So let's say that we have a graph like this, and we have this random curve up here. I'm going to try to find the limit as x approaches 2. So what we're going to do is look for 2 on our x-axis. I'm going to go ahead and draw a dashed line at positive 2, just so we can keep track of where 2 is. Now to evaluate this limit, we're going to start from the left side of our graph, and we're going to just follow this curve and keep following it until we land where x equals 2. And we get to 2 right here, and let's see where our output is when we're at 2. Our output is right here at 4. So we get 4 from the left side. Now let's evaluate it from the right side. So we'll start up here, and we'll just follow our curve until we get to 2. We get to 2 right here, and our output is also at 4. So notice we get 4 when we evaluate the limit from both sides. Since the two sides agree, that means our limit exists at 4. Now let's go ahead and see if we can figure out our function evaluated at 2. So what I'm going to do is find 2 on the x-axis, and I'm going to look up to the curve and see where our output is. But there's an issue we run into when we do this. Notice that we have a hole in our graph. We're taught from earlier math courses if we see this hole here, our function is undefined. So that means our function here does not exist. And this right here is an example of when your function won't exist at a point, but your limit will.